This customer wants to install 6 recessed lights in his master bedroom. We're gonna be installing these Juno canless wafer lights. They're really nice because after we measure, I usually have to check for joists, but because this trim is so thin, it fits right up in the drywall and it can go over an existing joist. He has this existing switch here that controls an outlet. You can tell because it's upside down. We're gonna use this location for the new lights and we're gonna make the outlet hot all the time. So I got all the cans measured out and now I'm gonna cut them out with my Elko hole saw, which catches all the dust in this bucket so it doesn't make such a mess. I'm gonna show you how I run wires from can to can. I use a steel snake and I just push it from the can, and most of the time you can get it to pop right out of the hole like that. Then you can tie your Romex to the end of the snake and pull it back. Just like that. Now that I got all the cans wired, all I need to do is run the switch line from the existing switch to the first can, and all the wiring is finished. So I sent the snake up and I made it through the existing hole in the top plate. So now I'm gonna go up in the attic and tie the wire and pull it down. I tied my Romex to the end of the snake in the attic, and now I'm gonna pull my snake down to the switch. Just like that. So now I have my wire going from my switch to my first light. I got the Romex connector installed, my ground, neutral, and power connected. And the customer wants the color temperature to 3000 Kelvin, so I set the switch to 3000 Kelvin and close the cover and put the J-locks up here. You can see I have a joist in the way, so a regular can wouldn't have worked, but a wafer light just pops up just like that. I got all the 6 wafer lights installed. Now at the switch, I have my power going into the switch, and then when you turn the switch on, it sends power over to the plug on the red. So in order to make the plug hot all the time, I'm gonna put the red with the powers, and then I'm gonna connect my new wire to the switch and my neutrals and my grounds. So I connected the red onto the powers, so now my plug has power all the time. The new wire connected the grounds and the neutrals. He wanted to put in this Lutron Maestro Pro dimmer, which takes a neutral. So I put a pigtail from the neutral to the switch, power on the black screw, and my new wire for the lights is on the gold screw. I got the dimmer installed, dimmer on, and that's your end result.